Good morning. Hope everyone is doing well. This is Stephen. I'm located in the San Francisco Bay Area, the East Bay actually. Uh, yeah, this morning I'm going to do my walk around my neighborhood and do some cooking for the week, laundry, and so on. So, a fun packed day, right? So yeah, the temperature right now is 57 degrees Fahrenheit with a high of 67 this afternoon in my part of the Bay Area. I think 57 is about 14 degrees centigrade and 67 is about 19 degrees centigrade. I'm walking in a very different pair of Keen sneakers this morning. As you can see, the shoelacing system is very unconventional. Um, this is, I have to say, the most comfortable pair of sneakers that I've ever worn. It's very light, has fantastic grip, and the cushioning system is very, very good. And that helps alleviate stress to the joints um, when I walk. So if you're in the market for a pair of comfortable, light, and uh, durable sneakers, check this out. The brand is Keen, Keen. We cannot see the bay this morning. Uh, it's very foggy. Well, typical weather in the fall in the San Francisco Bay Area. Uh, it's a little chilly this morning as well. Yep, this house, they are ready for Halloween at the end of this month. Nice decoration. Nice decoration. Oh, look at this huge spider. And the ghost. And the skeleton. And look at the door. Let me zoom in. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? Even have warning, zombie outbreak. Pretty cool. Oh, this is really nice too. So cute. A skeleton cat. See this little ghost. And spider web. What's that? And skeleton birds? Oh wow. And even skeleton bats. Oh, gold spider. Oh, very cool. Very, very cool. So over here they even have this huge spider web and spiders. And zoom in there. Well, I have to say this one big ass giant spider is probably the largest spider that I've ever seen. I think I'm gonna check out the little park um, this morning. It's only about a mile from where I live. Okay. So this is the park called Carlos B Park. It's a relatively small park compared to the other parks that I have shown in my earlier videos, but nevertheless, it's a nice little park. It's very tranquil. Air smells fresh. Lots of trees. There's a little children's playground towards the end of the park. And it has barbecue facilities as well. Oh, this is my favorite store, Trader Joe's. It's a grocery store. About a month ago, a car actually crashed into the other entrance, not this one. So now what they did was they put up, see those red barriers all around the store. Huh, pretty cool. I love the trees here, so green. Still foggy though. It's around 9:30 in the morning. I've been walking close to 50 minutes. Still foggy. Gas prices today, let's see, it's $5.69 at Quick Stop. And I mean, I'm talking about the lowest grade. $5.47 at Arco. Still high. A couple of days ago, I went to Costco. I think gas was $5.40 at the Costco that I went to. Yep, right across from Arco, which is I mentioned earlier, is $5.47 per gallon. Chevron is $6.39 per gallon, and 76 is also $6.39 per gallon. Wow, it's almost over 95 cents difference per gallon, just next to each other. Interesting. I'm not sure why this liquor store is named Deep Liquor. Well, I guess I'm waiting to see another one named Shallow Liquor. Well, I'm surprised there are so many cars in the park and ride parking lot, even on a Saturday morning. Wow. So usually there's on weekdays that's when commuters park here and they carpool to drive to San Francisco or to the South Bay, San Jose or something like that. It's 9:43, still very foggy. But look at the background. Look at those hills. Beautiful, right? So green. So right now standing above the Interstate 580 freeway. So cars traveling away from me is going towards the west, which is going towards San Francisco, and cars coming towards me is going to the east. And in the middle, we have BART train tracks that goes from East Bay to San Francisco. Well, it's the fall. That means leaves on the trees are going to change colors pretty soon. Probably in the next few weeks before they shed all their leaves. Yeah, this restaurant here, Southern Comfort Kitchen, they serve pretty good Cajun food. Yep, gas is $5.79 at 76 in Castle Valley, and Chevron is 589 right across there. Oops, there's police activity I see in the background. So Bob, if you're watching this video, finally the Canyons barbecue is now open. Well, we gotta try this one of these days. Well, I'm almost done with my walk. According to my watch, I did, it's gonna be 5 miles, about uh, an hour and 50 minutes. A little slower today, the pace a little slower because I had to stop at a couple of traffic lights. So what's next? Okay, I'm gonna make my turkey vegetable soup. I'm going to make my salad lunches for the week, and I'm gonna make air fried air fried wings. Okay, I'm home, and I just want to give a rundown of the ingredients that I'm gonna use to make my turkey soup, turkey vegetable soup, and also my salad lunches. So in the front, you see the vegetables that I use for my salad. So they're all pre-washed. Um, this is green leaf lettuce, radicchio, yeah, and carrots, and we have extra large peated black olives. This is herb salad mix vegetables. This is baby spring mix vegetables, and this is cucumber and eggs. So that's for my lunch. For next week. And then for my soup, so I used 2 quarts of chicken broth, red potato, baby spinach, onions, yellow squash, zucchini, celery, and 2 pounds of grounded turkey and shredded carrots. That's for my turkey vegetable soup. Now I use what seasoning do I use for the soup? Black pepper, a little bit of garlic salt, and parsley patch seasoning, salt-free parsley patch garlic and herb seasoning. That's what I use. So I'm gonna try and make this concurrently. Probably take me an hour or less to do both. Try to save time. My chicken wings are still defrosting, so hopefully when I'm done making my soup and lunches, the wings are ready for me to cook for my lunch for today. So I'm heating up the broth right now. At the same time, I'm heating up the eggs, cooking eggs for my lunch. Yeah, I apologize for the noise from the exhaust fan. So the first couple of ingredients goes in first with the broth is the shredded carrots, onions, and red potatoes, because they take the longest to cook. So yeah, about 10 minutes later, I put in the chopped zucchini, squash, and celery into the broth. So probably wait till they're cooked. The next to put in will be grounded turkey, followed by spinach. Yeah, my salad lunches for next week, they are ready to be covered with plastic food wrap. That is the secret. They last easily a week if you cover them with a plastic food wrap before you close the cover. So they are all covered with plastic food wrap and ready for the cover to get on them. Yeah, I have covered all my 5 salads. Every day when I'm ready to eat each of them, I will add in 1 avocado and some walnuts together with my favorite dressing. It's a very healthy lunch. Well, looks like it's cooking well. maybe another 5-10 minutes, I can put in the grounded turkey and spinach. As I mentioned, I'm gonna do my lunch and my dinners in 1 hour or less. Yep, I'm gonna air fry chicken wings and zucchini. I marinated my zucchini with this buttery steakhouse seasoning and fresh garlic olive oil. And for my wings, I season it with fresh garlic flavored olive oil, Old Bay seasoning, and the key is put a little baking powder to make the skin crispy. Okay, so I am going to air fry it now. Turn it on. Air fry 390, I think 20 minutes. Let me put about say 26 minutes. Smart finish. So for the zucchini, it's also 390. That I think doesn't need 20 minutes. Let me see. Let's put 16. So okay. So the wings will cook first. When it gets to the 16-minute mark, then the wings and the zucchini will cook together. All right. So let's check on my soup. Well, it looks like they're ready for me to put in the turkey and spinach. Yep, my turkey vegetable soup is ready. I started cooking my 5 lunches and the vegetable soup, turkey vegetable soup, about 11:45 a.m. Now it's 12:02, so it's about 45 minutes. This pot here most likely will fill about 6 containers worth of soup. So I'll wait for it to cool down before I put them in a container. There you go. Lunches and dinners for the week in an hour. So yeah, my chicken wing is still cooking, and when it reaches 16-minute point, the zucchini will also start to cook. Can't wait to have my lunch for today. Well, my air fried wings and zucchinis are done. I added some ranch dressing on the side as a dip for my chicken wings. Ooh, I'm already salivating. Well, my turkey vegetable soup has cooled down, and I was able to fill 6 containers worth of dinners. So now I'm gonna put them in the freezer. Whenever I feel like eating it, I just take one out, defrost it, and microwave it. Well, I'm gonna end my video here. Please subscribe if you like it. Thank you for watching. Hope you will have a wonderful weekend. Till next time, bye.